Hey friends, a few months ago I made a video showing you how to create a TikTok end screen from scratch, and a lot of you guys found that video super helpful. Like, a lot of you guys. So welcome all new subscribers. This video is like an updated version of that last tutorial. Instead of making this TikTok end screen from scratch, in this video I am giving you a blank template for free. Link in the description below. All you gotta do is add your name or text to this blank template, and in this video I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that using a free app called CapCut. It's available for iOS and Android, so make sure you have it downloaded to your phone, and let's jump into it. Once you have the blank template downloaded to your phone and you have the CapCut app installed, you're going to want to go ahead and start a new project, then scroll down to the blank template and add that to our timeline. And we're going to play that, and right after that animation, hit pause, because that's where you want your text to appear. So all the way down on the bottom, third in from the left, you're going to see text, and then add text. I'm going to type in your name, and then I'm going to size this and add it to the search bar, like so. And you can see that there are a ton of fonts here to choose from. If you want to change the font, you can. For this tutorial, I'm just going to leave it on system. Next, I'm going to come over here to animation, and I'm going to scroll all the way to fade in, and I'm going to bring this duration all the way up to 3 seconds, and then click done. Let's have a look at this from the beginning. Okay, that looks perfect. So we're going to want to save that to a camera roll. Next, you're going to want to open the video that we just saved to our camera roll, because there's a watermark at the end of it that we want to trim off. So I'm going to play this. And right there, that watermark comes up. So I'm just going to trim that off and save that video as a separate file to my camera roll. Now, the next step is the most important step, because this is how you make the TikTok with an end screen. So again, we're going to open CapCut and start a new project. I'm going to add this video that I have pre-made, and then I'm going to add the end screen that we just made. Click add. If I play this.
So I'm addicted to this, not in the literal medical sense, but I don't think I could live without it.
Perfect. So the same steps apply again. We're going to save this to our camera roll, and then we're going to trim off the watermark at the very end. Now, if for whatever reason your phone doesn't allow you to trim off the end of the video where the watermark is, you can do it in CapCut or using an app just like that. I just find that it's easier to do it in the phone itself and save it to the camera roll. It's just less steps. And that is how you make a flawless end screen for your TikTok. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in another one very soon. Bye.